This dog can smell any odor. Brain asked Joe if he hadn't flushed the toilet. Joe said he hadn't flushed it yesterday, but had flushed it today. Joe was amazed at how sensitive Brian's nose was and wanted to take him to work as a police dog. Brian was also very willing to do this job. As a police dog, Brian's job was to sniff the passengers' packages, and he happened to meet Quagmire.
You're back from Manila. You had lumpia for dinner. Then you made love to 2 Filipino women. Now, man.
After Quagmire ran away, Brian smelled a strange odor again. He started running through the crowd and quickly locked onto the target. He successfully arrested the drug dealer. It would have been better if the drugs hadn't gotten on his nose. Brian's deeds immediately made the front page of the newspaper. Soon, Brian and Joe went on a police mission again. This time, the target was in a church. Brian's sensitive sense of smell directly exposed the drug dealer's disguise. With the full cooperation of Brian and Joe, they successfully arrested the drug dealer. Next, all they had to do was turn in the confiscated drugs. However, Brian took the drugs and directly walked into the toilet. It seemed that he had already started using them. After that, Brian's temperament changed drastically. The whole dog became very irritable. What's more, after Joe said a few words to him, he directly threw down his police badge and quit his job. After leaving the police station, Brian sank deeper into depravity. He smoked, dated girls, and haunted bars and dance halls all day long. Soon, his family noticed Brian's abnormality, and Brian had to admit that he had become addicted to drugs. The family's choice was to send Brian to a drug rehabilitation center immediately. When they first arrived at the center, everyone was shocked. The facilities in this place were extremely luxurious, just like a holiday hotel. Peter was really envious when he saw it. Peter had already arrived before Brian even entered the room, but Peter didn't stay there for nothing. He supervised Brian's drug withdrawal every day and successfully helped Brian get rid of his drug addiction. After returning home, Brian said that he already had a stain on his record and that he was going to leave this small town. No one tried to persuade him to stay, but everyone was very sad. Stewie, Brian's best friend, chased out the door.
Airport, please.